thing I look for is that number one is experience and handling the situation, the size of the sound system that we need. A lot of times, in my opinion, people are fooled by fancy equipment and things like that. And that's great, but having the equipment and knowing how to run it are two different things. When I look at a sound contractor for Oktoberfest, I want to make sure I have somebody that has a lot of experience working with different kinds of bands, different kinds of music, that can handle the environment that we're in. The other thing we look for is just the general rapport and getting along with people. That is so important when you're putting a big festival like Oktoberfest, which runs for a week and a half. The sound company that we're working with right now, B&B Sound, are the best in the business, in my opinion. That's why we work with them. Experience is the big thing, but I tell you what, when you work with people you can get along with, it makes everything go smooth.